from the land to the water, and we're back. We're back to Haulover Marina on the Big Hydro on this beautiful day. And it's surprising because it is the weekend, but yet the marina is not that full. But that just makes it easier for me to launch off the boat. And to answer the question that a few people have asked me, is it hard to push the boat off the dock? Well, it's not. As big as it looks, it's pretty easy to push away. And also to answer another question that I think I did before, but I'm gonna answer anyway. People ask me, how many cameras do I use? Well, I use sometimes 3, sometimes 4. And that's why you guys notice so many different angles on the videos.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back. And first of all, before I even get started with the video, I would like to thank everyone that showed up at Copper Blues. Thank you so much for celebrating my birthday with me. I would like to thank Glass, Cito, Too Nice, everybody involved, you know, that helped me make the event so good. And thank you. It must have been over 100 people that showed up. Thank you so much for the love and support and partying with us. But today we're in the water, and today is my actual official birthday, so we're just gonna relax a little bit and enjoy the water. Because there's no better place to be on my birthday on the water. And did you have fun at Copper Blues?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wait a minute, guys. Look, we got a stowaway. Look at this. We got a stowaway today. Look at that. Look at that. All the puppies, somehow I got conned by her to keep one. But we'll see. He's still for sale, but he's so cute. We don't know what to call him yet. What'd you call him anyway?
I don't know either.
Well, I don't know. It's a cute little look. He's adorable. They're trying to con me to keep him, but I don't know. It's kind of hard because he's too cute, right? But well, we're gonna cruise by right now by Haulover Sandbar. Well, whatever's left of the Haulover Sandbar, because they're dredging it. I don't know if you guys saw my other video with the dredger behind me. Well, the dredger now is in front of me. It's right there.
Well, I guess the dredger is doing its job and the Miami boaters are doing theirs, because even though the dredger is there, some few boaters are still hanging out at what's left at Haulover Sandbar. But it's kind of early, like you see, there ain't that many people here, so we're gonna just pass by and keep going, because right now is the perfect opportunity to find a good spot. But the thing is this, I want to go ahead and I guess burn some fuel and take a cruise down south. And by the way, I would like to thank the fans that send me pictures and videos of them playing in the snow up north, because of the last video that I was complaining being so cold. But look at this, today is so hot that I'm actually applying sunblock on Ojita, and that's how Florida winters look like. So you got to be careful you don't get burned. Well, here's a pretty cool advantage about the Hydro Sport. It's big and comfortable, but not too tall, so I could fit right under the bridge while others have to wait.
Look at this, the stowaway got the best seat in the house. Look, look. Well, I guess we're trying to train him so he gets used to the boat. You gotta do it once they're little, because when they get too big, they tend to get seasick and they pee and do gaga all over the boat. So if you're thinking of having a dog on your boat, make sure you start them when they're puppies. So like that, they get used to it. It works. That's why Cookie, no Yuli gets seasick, but King does. Because I took King when he was bigger.
And we're back on the move. And there's two ways of going down south to Miami. There is a west channel and a east channel. Right now we're taking the east channel. And to answer one more question, people ask me how come I didn't buy a house in Miami. Well, the thing is this, I would love to buy a house here on the water, but here the property taxes are triple and so is the house insurance. And definitely the cost of the houses are very high. Plus I wanted to experience something different because I've been living in Miami all my life, and like that I could enjoy both sides, the east and the west coast. And also, if you're going to be boating in Miami during winter time, you got to definitely pay attention to the signs located on the channel markers, because where normally 30 miles an hour operating speed, sometimes it changes during winter time and you have to go idle. So make sure you pay attention to the signs when you're entering a channel, and make sure you read the dates. Like that you can avoid yourself from getting a ticket.
So today we're taking a slow, lazy cruise on the Miami Intercoastal. We're heading down south and just sightseeing, basically wasting gas. But it's all good though, you know. So good, I like being on the water. I guess when you like doing something, how you get to it doesn't matter. So now here we're just waiting for the bridge to open up and we cross to the other side. Because, you know, we're the big boys today. Yeah, I don't fit under the Venetian Cosmos bridge. So I gotta wait to open up.
Okay, so I don't know what happened to the bridge conductor, but normally this bridge opens every 30 minutes or when he sees a lot of boats waiting. So we waited there over 30 minutes, so we decided to go ahead and take another path. And we jumped over to the west side bridge, and this one is big enough that I don't have to wait, and we fit right under.
So you guys getting a sneak preview right here. They're gonna have the Miami Boat Show in a few days. So you guys are getting a sneak peek. I think they're gonna do the water testing from here because they moved it away from Key Biscayne. And this is for us locals here in Miami, so it's considered behind the Miami Herald, but I don't know what it's called now. But yeah, it's gonna be here. And we had to come to this side because we fit under here.
So if you're planning to come to Florida to check out the Miami Boat Show, make sure you look at all locations because it changed from Key Biscayne to back into the Miami Convention Center, and also here near downtown Miami behind the Miami Herald building. Now we're getting closer to downtown Miami and by beautiful Miami Arena, and also cruising by Port of Miami, where the cruise ships dock on the north side and the container boats on the south side. Now we're entering a very popular spot for the tourists in Miami, well known as Bayside Marketplace. That normally people come here by car and take advantage of all the restaurants, clubs, and stores. But today you're getting a ride through the water. And I would say I've done this over 100 times over the years, but to me it never gets old and I still enjoy it. But one thing I haven't done is taken a ride on this big Ferris wheel. And here it is, beautiful downtown Miami, located right on the Miami River. And here's where you see all the charter boats coming in and out full of people having fun in the sun. But I guess today they took a day off. That I was gonna go in, but I decided it's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna turn around and head up north. And once again, we're cruising by where the Miami Boat Show is going to be held. So remember to check out all the locations, Miami Convention Center and here by downtown Miami. Then I'm pretty sure they're going to have shuttle buses taking people around. And normally we go visit the boat shows on Friday. And for those people that follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you guys notice that I've been posting a new amazing boat product, Lock Marine. I'm a online authorized dealer, and you can check out their booth on the Miami downtown location. And when you speak to the guys on the booth, tell them you want the Fresco Channel discount. And now we're going by a very popular island here to the locals known as La Islita. But we're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep going north over to Aloha Sandbar.
Well guys, have you ever taken out your boat and just drove around with no direction and no place to go? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. I just wanted to feel the salty air, you know. And we just drove down to downtown Miami, and now we're going up north and maybe hang out at beer can or the little piece of sandbar, a hallover, I don't know. So it's just one of those days, no direction, don't know where I'm going. I'm just wasting fuel, but making memories and having a great time in the water because, like I said, I love the party, you know, have fun in the sun with people and a whole bunch of friends on the boat. But sometimes I just like just peace and quiet and just a visual relaxation. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just cruising around, you know, Miami, you know, enjoying the day. Because, you know, it's been cold here, and now today is pretty warm. It's like actually 81 or 82. So, you know, actually I'm pretty hot with this. But just enjoying the day, you know, cruising.
And we have reached our final destination, Halover. But before heading over to the sandbar, we decided to take a little cruise by beer can and see what everyone here is up to. Because I see there's plenty of boats anchor around the island and people on the island.
party.
Hmm?
Birthday celebration.
Yeah.
Well, for those guys that keep sending me pictures and videos from the snow up north, well, sorry, but this is how Florida winter weather looks like. But now we're gonna head over to the hot spot, all over Sandbar. And like you noticed, when we came back earlier, it was pretty empty, but now it has plenty of people, so we're gonna hang out. But that's gonna be on the next video that you don't wanna miss, because here Florida people wear different and unique winter clothes that you're definitely gonna wanna see. But that's gonna be on the next video on tomorrow.